Alright folks, time to tip out another pot of these potatoes now. I'll try one with two that had 2 seed potatoes in. As you can see, absolutely enormous plant now. There are a couple of the others that I've replanted, still growing happily away, so hopefully we should get some more little potatoes from the ones that weren't quite big enough. But anyway, we'll get this one out and see how many spuds we get this time. That's after about, I think it's about 100 days now, so another 10 or so days after the first lot are tipped out. So again, I'll try and, you can see it's incredibly bright today. I'll try and get these spuds out without wrecking the pot. It's absolutely bulging with potatoes, this one, so that's the job getting them out. Feels like it's really full, this one. So we'll have a look. First impressions, are we in shot? Again, the sun now, getting a little bit bigger. That's a funny shaped one. Look, they're getting a little bit bigger. Still some quite small ones. But we'll have a dig about and see what we've got. Yeah, that's about sort of ideal size, I'd say. That size of an egg, or just a little bit smaller. Still a little bit on the small side, but I'll take them anyway. Getting nice now. So this is 2 seed potatoes as opposed to the one cut in half, which is just 1 seed potato really. So we should be getting a better crop from this, obviously. I don't know why I decided to do one cut into 2. Bit of a silly idea really, because this seems to be a much better crop. Like I said, I've replanted the other ones and they're growing away happily again, so we should get another crop. There you go, that's the whole seed potato. There should be 2 of those in here somewhere. That's an eater. Oh, that's going to be daft potato of the year so far, that one. But it's looking a better crop already. So we'll just get the rest out. That's the other seed potato there. So just to confirm that was 2 seed potatoes in here. There are a few little diddy ones that aren't ready to harvest. That's a big one. But as you can see, I've got a bigger crop, definitely, with 2, which is quite obvious really why you would. So I think that's it. That's about it. I don't want to wreck it anymore. So we'll weigh these, see what we've got. I think I got 1.3 pounds last time. So anything over 2 pounds in a little pot, you know, is more than enough, so it's only a 10 litre pot. So if we hit the 2 pound barrier, then I'll be happy with that. So we'll just weigh these, see what we've got. Turn the machine on. Yeah, it feels about 2 pound. Let's have a look. 2.5 pound, actually 2.51 pound. If you can see that, so that's a good crop there. I'm happy with that. So that's a 10 litre pot. I'm growing 30 pots outside, 30 litre pots, so really I should be getting about 7.5 pound of spuds out of a 30 litre pot new potatoes, which would be a fantastic result. So that's good. 2.5 pound out of a 10 litre pot is more than enough for me, and a few more that'll grow on hopefully when I replant it. So that's about it folks. 100 days, 2 seed potatoes, 10 litre pot, 2.5 pound. See you later.